Hey guys, so welcome back to my really messy channel, and today we're going to be doing a challenge thing created by Thomas Halper. You guys know what it is. I'm going to try and follow a beauty guru's makeup tutorial, and as we know, I'm not really a makeup connoisseur. Did I use that word right? But there is one YouTuber, one beauty guru that I love so much, and that is rawbeautykristi. So I thought we would just try one of hers, you know. I haven't seen anyone try any of hers, I don't think. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So yeah, let's just get started.
How come they don't teach us the right way to get in shape?
I don't know.
Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a video of new products in the last week, and I wanted to just give them a try. I have a new color pop palette, and it should be here any minute. I just checked my UPS complexion prep priming spray.
Okay, she's gonna spray. So since she's gonna use a spray to prime her face, I'm just gonna use my rose water spray. I don't get PR and stuff, so like I have a lot of makeup, but like I don't have everything, so sorry. So we're just gonna prime her face with this spray since she's using a spray. We're just gonna use my rose water spray by Mario Badescu. So let's just.
You're so lightweight, you'll hardly feel it.
Ooh. Okay, she sprays like tons. We're sprayed up. I can't remember. I adjusted it. Okay.
That was enjoyable. What does that smell like? Oh my god, it has such a distinct smell.
This one smells like roses.
Pyrtle Cosmetics sent over their new Cameo contour sticks. Dual-ended contour sticks.
I don't have any contour sticks.
I think today for my foundation, I want to use the It Cosmetics.
Really? I hate this foundation. We can probably squeeze some out of this. Are we the same shade? I bet we are.
The shade medium.
Oh,
I
just
probably
kidding.
should be in the shade light or light medium. But
That's what I meant. I'm assuming she's gonna use a beauty blender because all beauty gurus do.
Okay, so this color is
Yeah, she's literally using her real techniques. I'm gonna go wet this really quick. Also, mine is so gross, so please ignore that. Let's try to salvage some of this stuff. If you're new here, I hate this foundation so freaking much, and I got it in one of my Ipsies, and I was just like, really? I got some on my hand, so how does she apply it? Did she like take it off her hand with a sponge?
my husband and I have
I hate this foundation. I hate the smell. I look like the peanut butter baby when I put this on. That's literally what I feel like. I don't know if that makes any sense to anyone else, but like that's what this makes me feel like, and I hate it. It's just so, I hate it.
And now I'm going to go in with the Cameo contour stick from Pure Cosmetics.
I don't know what that is. Oh, is it? I don't have a contour stick, I don't think. Let's make sure, because I don't think I own any cream contour products. Like, I've been wanting to get some, but I just don't think I own any. So we might have to skip this step. She's like highlighting, I can't even see. She's like right here, you know, under your eyes. She's right here, and then, I know this is a lot of Shape Tape. I just realized how much I was using.
You guys know I don't ever do my makeup like this. You guys know this. These glided on very easily. They were not difficult to put on. They're not stiff. I'll try one half of my face with the sponge, and then I'll try the other half with Clarisonic.
I don't understand when beauty gurus use a Clarisonic. Like, I just don't, I feel like that wouldn't work. Like, I don't know.
I think I like the contour.
Which they make it work, but like, I feel like if I did it, it would not work.
So it says here, regularly $39.50. That's how much product you get in each side. Isn't a lot. And this is not a new product to me, but I haven't used it in about 3 years. And this is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder.
Let me see what else I have that's kind of like that. I have 3 like pressed powders, which is what she's using, because usually I just use my Coty Airspun. Like she said, she used her Laura Mercier. I'm kind of in that same boat, but I think that one's probably more like this MAC one in the color NC20. This is from Wish, so I didn't want to say that, but I was trying to be bougie. But
normally I'm a loose powder girl.
Me too.
So I'm gonna give
girl.
this another try.
Okay, I'm gonna take this and kind of do what she's doing, like kind of going under my eyes with it.
And I don't remember this ever happening in the past.
What's happening?
Clinging to all of my little baby hairs. Today I don't have any new brow products. I'm just going to be using the Anastasia Dip Brow in the color Taupe, and then I'm going to be using
Really, girl? I usually have the NYX, but I guess I don't. I think I ran out, so I'm going to use this e.l.f. one in the color medium. I'm just going to use the waxy side because that's what dip brow is. Because I'm not a big fan of dip brow. Sorry. Okay, that's as good as our brows are getting because I literally can't use pomade.
I'm going to start off with this shade.
Okay, I need a brush like hers.
Is the shade Full Zip. I'm going to run that all over my lid as sort of a base color. Now I'm going to go in with the
Hold on!
shade.
Oh my gosh, you're moving fast. Try to follow along, girl.
I'm going to go in with this one, which I believe is Champs. Now I'm going to go go in with this
one.
one.
Oh my god, girl. Oh, she's about to go in with the yellow. And I've never done a cut crease before in my life, so this should be interesting. She's taking yellow. And she is putting it also in her crease.
Brush like this, like a little packing brush. And I'm going to kind of deepen that up.
So I got my brush. She's just like kind of like focusing it a little bit more into the crease.
Alright, so I'm going to take that same brush and I think I'm going to dip into a little bit of this shade here, which is Big Cocktails. And I'm going to run that right here.
Girl, slow down.
Now I'm going to take...
Okay, we're just going to take this old brush right here. It's a Luxie brush. It's number 207. So I don't know if that even matters, but I wanted to feel like a beauty guru.
Shade here, which is Spoiled. Sort of take it up on an angle, almost like a wing.
Okay. Huh? Okay, I think I see. Oh, this is not going to be good.
And again, it does not matter how far down you bring it because we're just going to carve it all out with concealer anyway.
Am I doing it?
And then getting in there right where the line is going to be and kind of deepening up at the very bottom so that it like gradients up.
Am I doing it?
302 brush.
Oh, I see.
I'm going to go in with a little concealer.
Oh god, here it comes. I'm just using this little Wet n Wild brush and we're going to take concealer. What is it?
The Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm going to carve out underneath where I just made that so that it's a cut crease.
How does she do this? I've never done this before. Okay, so she kind of just goes. Did I do it? Did I do it?
Alright, now some of these shimmer shades from the palette. The brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade.
Okay, and she wet it, so this is the only spray I use. I'm just going to wet it with my Rose Water spray. Let's go, girl.
Pat off my brush and then use the color Chauffeur. Same with the damp brush.
Now that I can actually see what I'm doing, this looks horrible.
Now I'm going to go in with the shade Louis. I think I'm going to take a little tiny brush and do a negative space here in between the two so that it's a clear distinction. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm going to take it on my Sigma small eyeliner brush, the E10. I'm going to do like a little negative space cut.
Oh my god, I don't know if I can do that. My eyeliner is so small. Oh, I don't know how to do this. Okay, so we're going to take the Shape Tape, create negative space. I messed it up. I messed it up so bad.
For this, I find it easier.
Oh my god, girl, how? Did I do it? This was looking good for a second.
Buffing out the edges a little bit.
I don't get it.
Now I'm going to use eyeliner, and I'm going to use 3 different colors.
Oh no, I don't have colored eyeliner.
I'm going to use these NYX Vivid Brights eyeliners.
Okay, well, for the Vivid Fire, I can use my Jeffree Star lipstick. On the other ones, I probably have lipsticks in those colors. I'm just going to use those. Okay, so I don't have a yellow, but I'm just going to use this red, orange, and pink. This is looking so bad. I'm so sorry, Kristi. You're probably not watching this, but like, if you see this and you're like, she butchered my look. I know. I apologize, like I really do. I don't even know if these are eye safe. Hopefully they are. Don't try this at home, kids. We're gonna take the red and finish it off, and we're gonna do a wing because I don't even know if she does a wing, but we're gonna do a wing. Hey guys, yeah, my name is Emily. I'm 4 years old and I'm playing at my mom's makeup. That's what this looks like.
I'm gonna go throw some mascara and lashes on, and I will be right back.
So we're not gonna put lashes on because I don't have any.
I think I want to do the same thing to the bottom, so I'm gonna go in with that same yellow shade, and I'm just going to smoke that onto my lip.
Okay, I can do that. I smoked it out too much, but it's fine.
Now I'm going to do some mascara on my bottom lashes. That's all the new makeup that I had to try in this. I think I'm going to throw a little more bronzer on because this is not enough with such a crazy eye look.
Okay, so we're going to take a bronzer. We're going to take this Shade of Light palette, which I kind of just like do this. From a distance, it doesn't look that bad, but when you get close up, it's pretty bad. But we know I'm not a makeup artist. Like, the only looks I ever do on here are like looks that take little to no effort, so, and I just do them because I like filming them.
And today I'm going to use the Nikki Tutorials and Ofra collaboration in Ever.
Using like a Nikki collab, we're just going to use my Glazed Donut highlighter by Ofra.
Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the color Firestarter.
Okay, since I'm going to use this, which was what was on my eyes, it's like the same color.
back, I'm gonna throw a gloss on top of this because I want it to be like a juicy.
Oh, okay, she's gonna throw a gloss on, so we gotta. I hope this hasn't been out of focus the entire time. That'd be really bad. I guess it doesn't look awful, but like it needs to like dry down because like these will dry down anyway. And she's put a gloss on top. I didn't know that. And then we're gonna take this Lorac lipstick and the lip gloss in the color Athena and just like kind of gloss it up. That's the final look. I know it looks awful. So my camera died, but this is the final look, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe down below for videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Friday with a brand new video. Bye. Hopefully this wasn't awful to watch, which on here it does not look as bad as it does in real life. So maybe y'all can think I can actually do a little bit of makeup, which is not true. So bye.